to that river there, bathe in that cool water, forget about all our cares. I see that girl in the church, staring straight through the wall. Walk a little closer and you'll hear her say, may God have mercy on us all. May God have mercy on us all.